First, we want to find the limit as x goes to 0 from the left. So we will cover the right-hand side, and we see that as x goes in towards 0, all of our little function values are going up towards this point, and that point corresponds to a y value of -2. So we would say that that limit is -2. All right, now looking at from the right, we would cover the opposite side, and then we would say, okay, as x goes in towards 0, all of our little function values are going up towards this open circle. That open circle corresponds to the origin, so we have a y value of 0. And then we can say our two one-sided limits here are not equal, so that means that our two-sided limit will be a d/e. Now, if you look at x is equal to 0, you see that there is a jump in the graph, and that really is what is driving this whole thing about how the limit is going to be a d/e for the two-sided. Now, for the limit as x goes to 1, what happens there, if you look at it, you don't have a jump in the graph. You have a function value. So if you look at as you go in towards 1, you would be going towards this point right here. And if you go the other direction for the other one-sided limit, as you go in towards 1, you would be going in towards this point right here. And so that point corresponds to -1. So that would be your two-sided limit. And the same thing goes with number 75. If you look at 2, you don't have a jump there. So if I cover up the left-hand side and right-hand sides, I'm going to see that the limit, the two-sided limit, does exist. Because what will happen is, as x goes to 2, we're going to be going in towards this point right here, and if we come in from the other side, we're going in towards that point right there, and that point is the x-axis, which corresponds to y is equal to 0. Okay, so I know it's kind of hard to see with that shrunk down, but again, if you were to cover the left-hand side and look at it, it would be going towards this point. Cover the right-hand side, it would be going towards that point, and so that little point there that's on the x-axis, that is going to correspond to your limit.